Welcome to another episode of Caldine Calorie. Today we're going to be making some sugar buns. So here's all of the ingredients we're going to be using. And here we have a machine, so let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started.
So first things first, I'm going to be putting in some flour.
Hold up everything.
What's wrong with this? Okay.
I'll put these.
So you guys, now I'm going to be putting aside some sugar. Inside some salt. My brother and my sister will be putting aside 1 egg each. And now I'm going to put aside some milk. So you guys, now I'm going to be putting aside some vanilla extra. So you guys, now we're going to be mixing. First, So you guys, now my brother's gonna be putting inside some butter.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
When you put in that all, okay?
Let go. So you guys, I'm gonna leave it for 30 minutes and yeah. So you guys, it's done rising. Now let's check.
Wow, that actually looks so soft.
It has around.
Wait, put it, yeah.
Oh, that is big.
Hey, I was young. You said go to the.
So you guys, now let's start. So you guys, this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna be covering it and putting it for 45 minutes.